Okay, students. Now we see question number 6, and it is same as question number 5. Okay. So now I read it. So here the first term and last term of an AP are 17 and 315. Okay, 350. So here first term 17 and last term 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, then how many terms are there and what is their sum? It means we find again here number of terms and the sum of the first term. Okay. Okay, so here as per the data from the sum we write here A is equal to 17, then last term it means an is equal to 350, it is also L, and common difference 9. So we find first n is equal to and Sn equal to. Okay, so by an formula, it means last term formula, we find n. So we write here an is equal to a plus into bracket n minus 1 d. Okay, so now you put this all value in this formula and try to get n is equal to 38. Okay, after then now you find Sn. Okay, so by Sn formula, Sn here is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Okay, number of terms we have, first term we have, l we have, so we find Sn, and that is you get here Sn is equal to 6973. So you both you give simplification and try this, okay, and get the answer. Okay, so this is answer number 6, but you solve properly as you put in this value in the formula. Okay. Okay, now we learn question 7, and it is find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22, it means 22 terms is 149. Okay, it means 22nd, here 22nd term is given here 149, where here find the sum of first 22 terms. Okay, it means number of terms we have and it is also last term. Okay, here already given it is 22nd terms. Okay, 22nd term is 149, so it is last term, it means it is an, and here d is equal to 7. So this data is given in this sum. Okay. Okay, now answer 7. So here n is equal to 22 because first 22 terms. Okay, then d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So it is an means last term. So it is also L. So 149. So we find Sn. Okay, the sum of first 22 terms that we find here. Okay. By an formula we find first a here because we don't have a value. So here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Okay, now we have an, it means 22nd terms, that is an. Okay, here an is equal to 149 is equal to a. Okay, the 149 then is equal to a plus n is equal to, we have 22. Okay, because number of terms is given here. So 22 minus 1 multiplied 7, d is equal to 7. So we give simplification. Okay, by this calculation, so we get here a is equal to 2. Okay, then we find the sums of first 22 terms of an AP. It means Sn. So here by Sn formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Here we already find a, and that is 2. Okay, and l we have last term, it means 22nd term. Okay, and n also we have. So we find here the first 22 terms. Okay, the sum of 22 terms. So S22 is equal to 22 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 149. Then 2 11 are 22. So 11, then 151. Then we get here 1661 S22. Okay. Okay, so required sum of first 22 term of an AP is 1661. Okay, so it is answer number 7. Okay, so once again you learn and check it. Okay. Okay, now we learn question number 8, and it is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP and whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here second and third term of this AP is given, and we find sum of the first 51 terms. Okay. Okay, now answer number 8. So here second and third term given. Okay, so T2 is equal to 14 and T3 is equal to 18. So we find Sn. Sn means the sum of first 51 terms. Okay, so here we have only these two terms. So we find by these two terms first D, then A, and then last we find Sn. Okay. Okay, so here D is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, these two terms we use as a subtraction. Okay, so 18 minus 14, then we get D is equal to 4. And now we use this D value to find A. Okay, so here now first term. Okay, we find here A. So we have T2, and here the formula of T2 is equal to A plus D. Okay, so T2 here 14, A plus 4, then A is equal to 14 minus 4, then we get A is equal to 10. Okay, so now we have number of terms, that is N, that is 51. Okay, so after then A we have, and then D we have. So now we find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So by Sn formula, the Sn here is equal to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 multiplied D. Okay, so here S51 because sum of first 51 terms. Okay, so 51 upon 2 into bracket 2 multiplied 10, A is equal to 10, and plus N is equal to 51 minus 1 multiplied 4, that is D value. After then you give simplification as I give here. Okay, so you get S51, that is 5610. Okay, so required sum of first 51 terms of an AP is 5610. So this is the answer of 8. Okay, so you learn again and check it.